Okay, Sparky.
Beautiful. All right, kitchen and baths, two most expensive rooms in your house.
Join us on YouTube.
Join us on YouTube. I don't remember to do that.
Catch up on older tips, and if you missed them, and you can watch us on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button below, and you'll be notified when we post new videos. We try to get a new one out every week, but you really never know when, so that's why you want to hit the subscribe button. Back to you, sir.
Thank you. I will try to remember to do that one of these days. You know what? I'll have to put that on my lead. All right, so the kitchen and your bathroom are two most expensive rooms in your house to remodel. However, there's some things you can do to keep the cost down.
And cost about the same.
Yeah. So do what I call an assessment. Do your kitchen or your bathroom, but, so keep these separate. Your kitchen assessment. Look at, are the appliances adequate for the time you plan to remain in the house? In other words, do you truly need a new refrigerator, dishwasher, you know what I mean?
But
or are you just tied it? Right. Well, that's fine.
It's olive grabbed green, and
then I might say you might want to go for the new one. Are they more than 10 years old? Because the energy efficiency is, you're almost better off replacing them just for the energy efficiency, let alone the style and so on.
Yeah, I think my refrigerator's from 94 or 95.
Is your refrigerator running?
And it's running beautifully. It runs laps.
That's right. Runs laps. Are the cabinets in good structural shape? So in other words, you may not like the door styles, but are all the shelves in good shape? Or if they're sagging, that's always my funny one. It's like if your shelves are sagging, you don't need new ones. Turn them over. They will flatten out and then start sagging in the other direction over the next 20 years.
Right.
But there's nothing wrong with your shelves if they're sagging. What's the flooring in your kitchen like? I mean, is it outdated? Is it old wood? Is it vinyl? So you make a list of things that need to be replaced. And then you put together your budget. So for appliances, if you need a new fridge and maybe a dishwasher, always look for the deals because they always package everything. Every appliance store, box store, manufacturer, you buy the 4 appliances, you might get a discount of a couple of $100. Maybe they'll extend the warranty longer. Maybe you'll get free install. But there's always a deal with the package. And you can negotiate that. Trust me, especially at smaller appliance stores. You can always negotiate a better deal there for all that work.
Yep.
So one of my things, I always like to reface cabinets. If they're structurally sound, the layout is okay, then you're better off just refacing them. And so you can buy new doors and drawer fronts. You can get new styles. You can buy, do you want them painted, finished? Do you want them stained? There's a number of companies online that you can buy doors and drawer fronts, pre-finished in any color under the sun, or any stain finish, any species of wood, and then you can install them yourself. And that will save you a bomb.
Oh, yeah.
You want to change...
As long as the interiors are good, then you can get away with that for sure.
Exactly. And you can actually buy sheets of veneer that's peel and stick. So if you had old painted cabinets, you could literally stick veneer to them and then stain the boxes, stain the face frames, and leave the interior painted. There's a lot of things you can do, and it's amazing how easy it is to actually do all that. But it will save you a ton of money.
Yep.
I'm not kidding. It's crazy how much you could save doing that versus new cabinets. Especially if your cabinets are in good shape, Probably the biggest thing I would do in cabinets is your hinges. If you're going to use European style or hidden hinges, the cup hinges, you have to drill those in. This 35 millimeter inch 3/8 bit.
If you're American in the kitchen, what are you in the bathroom?
European.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
At least we didn't hit. Well, might as well just say poo. If we are. Get it over with.
I'm sorry, you said European.
So,
bump. Back to you, Rich.
Thanks. So when it comes to the countertops, if you want to do stone, it's fine. Particularly in bathrooms. In a kitchen, if it's a fairly decent sized kitchen, you probably need a slab to do the countertops. If it's a bathroom though, and you have a 48-inch vanity, something more standard, go to a yard and ask to look at the remnants. Because the remnants are going to cost you far less because somebody already paid for the slab.
Right.
So always, I have a yard full of remnants from what we do. So I need a small bathroom top for the house. Yeah, just pay for the labor.
Right. Yeah.
So remove your own countertops. That can save you some money. One of the other things that we like to do is we don't put outlets in the walls anymore in the backsplash. We put Sempria outlet strips up, and there's lots of things you could do now, and it makes tiling the backsplash much easier.
Yeah. So what plug strips are you using?
Sempria.
Sempria?
They have LED strip light and outlets.
Right. Yeah.
So that way I don't have to, my task lighting is there, my outlets are there. The odd thing is they don't come GFI protected, so you either have to do GFI breaker or change the first outlet.
Oh, okay. So
so we convert them, so to speak.
Right.
But they're very nice fixtures, and then they takes care of your lighting and your outlets.
Okay. All right.
And if you do your own tile, you have far fewer cuts then.
Oh yeah, and you're not cutting around each outlet, and then if you've got a design in your backsplash, the outlet doesn't break it up. And
yeah, back in the day when we just tiled backsplashes, it was no big deal. But now I've got one that we just did a wet bar, and it came to a light yesterday, but it's a chrome thin pencil strip kind of mosaic.
Right.
With his honking white outlet in the middle of it.
Exactly. And that was Sempria.
And it's like,
right?
wow, does that look like junk?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Sempria.
All right. I'm hitting send because I need to look that one up. I've been using the Legrand system,
60.
and I'm not too keen on it. So I was gonna.
No, the electricians have been putting those in for me for about a year now, and they are not complaining. They're I've not heard anything bad about them.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody seems to like them, and they are the second generation outlets.
Okay.
So they're hard to plug stuff in.
Yep, they've got the tamper-proof stuff.
Yeah,
in them. Yep.
they got gates on them, so they sell them both ways. But
yeah,
we always use the tamper-proof.
And then picking your plumbing fixtures.
Oh, picking plumbing fixtures is the fun part. So you always want to, just pick your style that you like and stay within that series.
Uh-huh.
Should be easy. And again, supply houses are preferred.
Yep, plumbing supply houses. Yep.
Yeah.
That way you can get the pot filler that matches the kitchen counter, kitchen sink, and then the bar sink are all the same. And it's all one. So, all right, we'll be back right after this.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.
European?
Oh.
I'm sorry.
At least we didn't hit. Well, might as well just say poo. We are get it over with.
I'm sorry you said European.
So,
But bump.
uh-huh.
Back to you, Rich.
Thanks.